Today we're opening this Dialga EX box. A lovely Dialga EX. Comes with Obsidian Flames, Temporal Forces, Stellar Crown, and 2 Surging Sparks. Starting with the Temporal Forces. Fire Energy. Who's that? Totodile. That's a deer. That's a bird. Pinecone. Iron Hands. Skateboard. Whoa, haven't seen that artwork before. The deer. Electo and a Roaring Moon. Nice.